Good Sunday afternoon to you, everyone. This is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little reminder for tomorrow. Tomorrow night, March 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to be doing Model Railroad Mondays. That'll be episode number 3. It's a good opportunity to ask questions on model railroad stuff only. So this is an opportunity to ask about what type of scales there are, maybe some simple stuff, that can maybe fix with like a wheel clean, something like that. These are just able to ask general questions just about the model railroad hobby and maybe some of the upcoming releases by Athearn, Atlas, or whoever. And, maybe if you're just getting into the hobby and you want a good place to uh, learn about some of this stuff, you're welcome to come up and join. Come up and join the live stream. I will start at about 6. It'll probably run till about 8 o'clock, somewhere along in there, maybe. I'm not sure, but we're going to have some good times with this. The first 2 episodes have been great. A lot of good questions on those 2 episodes. And also, with episode 3 coming in the works now, that's going to be yet another good time. So, once again, March 7th, which is tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, we will be doing Model Railroad Mondays episode number 3. So please tune in for that. There's going to be lots of good topics up for discussion with that. So definitely tune in for that. So just wanted to put that reminder out there because I know some guys may be new to the hobby and might need some questions answered about where you need to shop for a train, what to look for, what to expect. Things like that. So any model railroad questions for that, guys, is allowed. I'll put a reminder on this in my community tab as well, so you can be able to take a look at the visual stuff right there where you can see it in the community tab as well. So, so that's the big news for tomorrow night. So, as always, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, tap the notification bell, and hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world, not only to me, but to the future of this channel. So I just want to say I'm going to put a big thank you out there to everyone who has currently subscribed to me, and the ones who just recently subscribed. Thank you very much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. And it's great to see a lot of returning users continue to comment and ask questions, not only on Model Railroad Mondays, but also into the Q&A prompts as well. Another announcement I will put out there, March Q&A prompt is out. So definitely take a look at that and look at the prompt for that one. So these are 2 different things to have 2 different prompts. So just please remember to follow the 2 prompts for those. So there's the 2 announcements I got right now. Premieres will be starting up here real soon. I do have one for a week from today. It'll be a Sunday matinee, so that's definitely something you really want to tune into. That's a really good one. So anyway, like I said, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell where you get all the latest updates as the channel will continue to be busy, and I will see y'all soon. See y'all tomorrow night on Model Railroad Mondays, Episode 3. Take care, guys, and may God bless.